If you plan to call 811 Info-Santé for health advice, arm yourself with patience because wait times have exploded. On the government's website, someone wanting to speak with a nurse on July 25th had to wait an average of 87 minutes.
Bienvenue à Québec 811. For service in English, press 9.
If you want to speak to a nurse in English, you have to wait even longer, almost 10 minutes more. Data for the past 3 years shows wait times to speak to a nurse have gone from an average of 30 minutes in 2022 to nearly 1 hour in 2025.
Épouvantable, épouvantable. Parce que le premier intervenant, ça a pris 15 minutes environ avant d'avoir une réponse. Puis finalement, on nous met en attente. Puis une infirmière, à un moment donné, elle m'a dit ça peut prendre quelques heures à 1 ou 2 jours. Attendez sur la ligne.
Camille Racine says he called 811 after experiencing sharp pain in his lower abdomen. He calls himself lucky because he only waited for 15 minutes for his call to be picked up. But what frustrates him, he says, is that he spent about an hour and 45 minutes with nurses on the phone trying to get a doctor's appointment. But in the end, he was told nothing was available.
C'est inacceptable.
Santé Québec says one of the reasons for long waits is they're getting a high volume of calls. In 2022, Info-Santé received around 1.7 million calls, compared to nearly 2 million in 2025.
Ça fait plaisir. Bon courage à toute la famille, madame.
But the Crown Corporation says the calls are also getting more complicated and need more attention. What's more, they're dealing with a staffing shortage, something they've been trying to address since the fall. This patient's rights advocate says if people don't have access to 811, they will end up in the ER room.
It's like a domino. If you neglect one side of the alternative that you're offering to patients, well, the next digit, the next dot of the system is going to go down, and that means people ending up in emergency wards. So you're not helping yourself.
Bruni says Santé Québec has shot itself in the foot by cutting staff in the healthcare system. Now, despite the wait time, Santé Québec says people should still call 811 before heading to the emergency room.